Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get a mask on your Snapchat Bitmoji. So this is going to be for Android, iPhone, whatever mobile device you're using, it's going to be the same type of process throughout. So once you click onto the Snapchat app, you're going to want to go to either Discover or Chat, so then you can see this type of page here. Then you're going to want to click to the top left where you see your Bitmoji character there, its face, and then once you get to this screen right here, you're going to want to scroll down until you see like your Bitmoji section. If you don't see this, you will need to link your Bitmoji to your Snapchat first. But once you've done that, you'll be able to click Select Selfie, and then you will see like loads of different masks, etc. You've got a fire mask, you've got a rainbow mask, like a normal white one. All these ones here, you can go ahead and pick whichever one you want. So for instance, I'm going to go pick this white one here. And then I'm going to click on it. Once it's taken, click Done. And then you can scroll up to the top there, and then you'll see your Bitmoji has changed. It's got the mask on. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Snapchat and Bitmoji apps. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.